What's up, guys? Whoever has these vans 2025, they don't come with keyless entry, a lot of them. Don't worry, we have the kits available. Give us a call. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. The kits already come programmed, prepped up, ready to go. It's a full wire hookup, and we'll supply you with the installation video. It shouldn't take you no more than 10 minutes, 10-20 minutes. It comes with 2 fobs. To disarm it, you're gonna hit unlock your doors. Locks, unlock, lock, unlock. Also comes with 2 fobs. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814, and we have the DIY kits ready to be shipped out, 3-day free shipping. Don't hesitate. If you're out of state, in whatever state you're in, we'll ship you the kits. They already come prepped up, ready to go. You just hook up 4 wires, 10-15 minutes installation tops, and you're gonna have keyless entry. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.